Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
Series 1, Episode 6, Virtual Coach. Earning potential, $40 to $300+ an hour. If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised, and during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. But, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair, because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. Coaches offer a transformational experience to people in the chosen or specialized niche. Within this role, you'll be providing all of your tips and wisdom wrapped up in coaching services, and change people's lives for the better. You'll help your clients identify areas in their life to improve, and then provide them with strategies and encouragement to help them achieve these desired goals. Fortunately, you don't need to be there in person to help them achieve this. Your area of focus could be life coaching, budgeting, productivity, lifestyle transitions, or coaching new mothers, among others. Think about your own expertise, life experiences you can draw on, and what you can bring to the table, then package this value. There are no specific educational requirements needed to become a coach, but having a psychology qualification, or something linked to your chosen niche, can give you a real edge when it comes to getting hired or attracting new clients. If you're smart about it, you'll only spend 50% of your time as a virtual coach, focused on one-to-one contact with your clients. The other 50% should be devoted to building digital products and assets that can generate income passively all year round. When you have assets like a blog, podcast, books, or digital courses that make you money and increase your social presence and credibility, you will actually be able to generate new coaching leads on autopilot, while enjoying these revenue streams. At this point in time, virtual coaching is one of the most lucrative and least competitive industries in the world. There are few limitations on how much you can earn, as successful coaches, with a strong brand, can command fees as high as $1,000 an hour. If you have a little bit of money to invest, Facebook and YouTube ads will allow you to quickly create a low-end offer that can help you earn new clients in an instant. If you don't have the money to invest in paid ads, you can leverage content marketing to attract and generate your perfect clients instead. For example, blogs, newsletters, social media posts, videos, and a variety of other digital content. Set up a basic, professional-looking and informative website, and more importantly, a profile offering your coaching services on all the main freelance hotspots, such as Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and LinkedIn. Or, you could find a job working for a coaching company or corporate client on Indeed, FlexJobs, and Glassdoor. Good hunting!
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe so you don't miss out.